Hello everyone, today we'll be learning how to draw as such. In order to do our first drawing, start off by taking any sort of circular object and then trace out the lines of it. Add multiple lines connecting the outer part of the circle to the inner circle that you have created. Color it in using orange and white and then use yellow in the middle as well to create more aesthetic look to it. Highlight it with red as well. This will be an orange peel. Don't forget to add in the white portions to it. This makes it look all the more better. Next, start off by taking two pencils that is in yellow and in orange color. Scribble with the two of them together. Then draw a vase-like shape out of it and then draw grass at the top. Add checks to it and then color it in as you please. We have chosen the colors yellow and green accordingly. Once you spread it out using a tissue paper, this merges in with the background. Add multiple crosses. Do it towards the top as well and then use a white pen in order to make it look all the more better. Now, once you are done with this, you may also color the background area as well to make it look all the more realistic. Add a little shadow at the bottom. Next, take the colors yellow and pink and then scribble with them. Draw an ovular shape and then draw grass-like objects out of them. Color it in as you please. We have chosen the colors pink. Following pink, we've also decided to color it in yellow. Add a little bit of white at the top as well. Start off by drawing slightly ovular shape and then add a yellow center to it. Draw the outline of this. In order to make the paint spread all more evenly, take a earbud and then do it accordingly. Now take the green crayons and then make a darker side for the outer portion of it. Continue to darken it as much as possible. Take a little section at the top to signify where the stem existed. Next, take a circular object and then mark it with a green pen. That is a green color pencil. Add a little ovular shape in the center and then connect it to the end of the circle. That is the outermost side of it. Add darker green in order to shade it accordingly. Now add lines all around. Add a little bit of black to make it look like it has been shaded. Thank you for watching.